welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of testosterone, that all-important hormone that affects everything from our energy levels to our libido, and even our heart health. So if you've been feeling a bit off lately, it might just be your body's way of telling you it's time to check those T levels. Let's embark on a journey together to explore some strategies to boost and maintain a healthy testosterone level. First up, let's talk about exercise. It's not just about staying fit. It's about keeping those testosterone levels in check. Research has shown that hitting the gym or engaging in high-intensity interval training can do wonders for your T levels. And guess what? You don't need to spend hours at the gym, just 10 to 13 minutes of HIIT can work wonders. So whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting out, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can significantly impact your testosterone levels and overall well-being. But hold on, what about diet? What we eat plays a significant role in hormone regulation, and yes, that includes testosterone. Did you know that cholesterol, yes, that much maligned nutrient, is a precursor to testosterone? So don't shy away from healthy fats. Incorporating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds into your diet can help support healthy testosterone levels. And hey, here's a list of testosterone-boosting foods you might want to add to your grocery list. Fatty fish, dark leafy greens, eggs, shellfish, berries, cherries, pomegranates, and avocados. So the next time you're at the supermarket, make sure to stock up on these hormone-friendly foods to give your T levels a natural boost. Now let's talk about sleep. Ever heard of the phrase beauty sleep? Well, it turns out it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Studies have shown that quality sleep is linked to healthy testosterone levels. So aim for those 7 to 8 hours every night, and don't forget about sleep quality and timing. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book or taking a warm bath, can help signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for restorative sleep. And remember, consistency is key. Try to stick to a regular sleep schedule, even on weekends, to optimize your hormone production and overall health. Oh, and before we forget, let's address the elephant in the room: estrogen-like chemicals. Yep, they're everywhere, and they could be messing with your hormone levels. From BPA in plastics to parabens in skincare products, these sneaky compounds can wreak havoc on your testosterone. So it's time to be vigilant about what you're exposing yourself to. Opt for BPA-free containers, choose natural skincare products, and minimize your exposure to potentially harmful chemicals wherever possible. Your hormones will thank you for it. And speaking of vitamins, let's not overlook the importance of good vitamin D. Studies have hinted at a link between low vitamin D levels and decreased testosterone. So go ahead, soak up some sun safely, of course, or consider a vitamin D supplement. Your T levels will thank you. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms into your diet can also help support healthy testosterone levels and overall immune function. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: alcohol. While it might feel good in the moment, excessive alcohol intake can wreak havoc on your testosterone levels. So next time you reach for that drink, think about the impact it might be having on your hormones. Opt for moderation and consider alternative beverages like sparkling water or herbal teas to support your hormone balance and overall well-being. Last but certainly not least, let's tackle stress. We all experience it, but chronic stress can take a serious toll on your health, including your testosterone levels. So whether it's through meditation, exercise, or simply taking time for yourself, find ways to manage your stress and keep those cortisol levels in check. Incorporating stress-reducing practices like yoga, mindfulness meditation, or deep breathing exercises into your daily routine can help promote relaxation, improve sleep quality, and support healthy hormone balance. Well, folks, that's a wrap for today. We've covered a lot of ground, but remember, taking care of your testosterone levels is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to living a healthy, balanced life. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your health. Until next time, take care.